You know why I don't have a problem with selling? Because I don't sell. I don't perceive myself selling. I don't use the word sell. I never use the word sell within our company. I don't say, we need to sell more of this, or how can we sell more of that? And how can we sell this? I never, ever use that word. I don't. Because in my old days when I was selling door to door, knocking on doors and being kicked out of places, and I hated it. I hated that, okay? I got turned off of selling. And I don't like people who are forcing it down my. I don't like the whole thing, right? So what? So that's a four-letter word. S-E-L-L. Sell. I want to replace it with another four-letter word. No, it's not that one. It's another four-letter word. Listen closely. Instead of sell, from now on, I want you to use the word help. H-E-L-P, four letters. No sell, only help. Not just internally, but externally. Even when you're talking to people, how can I help you? I mean, see, again, the number one key in business and money is to understand why you're getting paid. And you're getting paid to solve people's problems. You're getting paid to help people. Yes or yes or yes or yes. So that's the mentality you have to have.